Here's how to change Roblox avatar gender. So the first step is to open up Roblox, then click on avatar on the left side. Now from here, as you can see, we have customize. So here you'll be able to see your current outfits. So you just have to click on marketplace, then click on search, and then from here you can simply search for woman or man, it's up to you. So here we can search for man, and then we just have to click on this button here, the filters one, then go and select price low to high, and then click on apply. Now from here, as you can see, we can find different outfits, different accessories, and some of them are free and some of them you need to use Robux to buy them. So as you can see here, if I search for woman and then we go to all, and as you can see, we have woman by Roblox and it's completely free, so we can select it. So let's click on it, and as you can see, I just changed my character to a woman. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.